Hello everyone, this is Ganesh and you are watching the YouTube channel Technology Era. In this video we are going to discuss about the RPA. What is RPA? RPA is nothing but Robotics Process Automation, and why this is emerging field nowadays. Basically most of the organizations and have their approach to save their human power, to save their cost, to save their time with respect to their work, and most of the companies are looking to implement this process in their organization because of these reasons. And most of the students have their approach to have these fields as their career, and most of the people are also making their career in RPA. What is the reason behind this? Okay, so you can say most of the companies having their work in the data operational fields like data mining, data warehousing, data entries related operations. So they are having their DevOps teams. So basically DevOps teams is divided into two parts. One is for the development and other is for operational people do their work with respect to their data structure, with respect to their data mining and data warehousing to maintain their data in particular format. So that is data is basically in the structured format, standardized format, to save one of the application or extract the reports from the applications. One of the standardized process is required to automate that process. RPA comes in the picture. Okay, so these robots are not physical robots, but these robots are software robots, okay, that can be implemented by using some of the robotics tools like RPA, Uipath, Automation Anywhere, BluePrism. Okay, so these are the companies basically providing robotics tools in the market with the cheaper rates, and companies are purchasing those softwares, I mean those tools, to make their robots. So this can be done by using RPA engineers. So RPA engineers are required to automate the process. So if you are looking to make your career in these fields, then you need to learn these tools what I have mentioned right now. So after that we can discuss about the, while developing your career, what you need to take care of. So you need to have very strong with your logical skill. Okay, to implement any process, your logic should be strong, because we are going to write a code in the format of sequences, flowcharts, any conditional approach you need to provide over there. So you may need to write less code in RPA, but you should have your logical skills strong in this field. Okay, so after that in other hand, you should have your planning strong, your analysis strong. If you fail to plan, it means you plan to fail. Okay, so with respect to data as well, you need to have very good understanding with the structure of data, behavior of the data. It means you need to have standardized data structure before you implement any RPA process. So basically RPA is very easy to learn, easy to make your career, and easy to write a code by using RPA tools. So best of luck. If you like this video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel Technology Era, and please press bell icon button and keep watching our latest video. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.